Having fun there, Stevie.
Yeah.
You're just being videoed right now, so. Bored, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
This is what happens when the train stops.
We get bored, we're tired, I'm on a sugar high. Oh my god!
Oh, let's see.
What are you doing, bro?
I can touch the bottom of that one. I can touch the top of that one.
Wait, what?
Huh?
Okay, try. Let's see. Let's see you try. Wait a second. Colin, wait a sec. Wait a sec. Colin, let's see.
The bottom of that one. I touch the top of that one.
Go, bro.
Oh, you're cool.
Wait a sec. Colin, go.
Go. Ready? Watch keep doing on one thing.
Try going for the top of the second one.
Top of the second one?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
I can't get very high on that.
Best
Yeah,
Eminem
watch out.
song ever.
Damon, watch out. Damon, watch out. We are bored.
Nope.
That was a bad jump. I just barely touched with my middle finger.
What are you listening to, Stevie? Stevie, what are you listening to?
Chili Peppers.
Ah, cool. And here's the quiet section. Hey, babe, how's it going?
I'm tired.
I can tell. Bored? Yes, speakers on the backpack. How's it going over here?
Whatever.
You're being recorded, by the way.
I don't care. Still whatever.
Huh?
No, he either has a leg and enough on him, that is, or he's got the way, or is he going to talk to me? Are we all back?
Well, what about the problem with the phone not working type thing? If his phone's like dead. That's the monkey wrench. This is interesting, for sure.
Are you recording this?
Yes, I am recording.
Turn back.
Really?
So.
What?
Hey, somebody turn that off.
Yeah, I'll turn it off.